awesome.
This morning as we were driving up, just as the sun was breaking, we saw right at the top here, there was a couple, 2 bull elk. They went up to the left, up over there. Actually, they were probably about right there. And they both walked up and out of sight.
Insane. You got elk right down there. Trying to get up on top of him. Coming from the side. Come around. Go in there. Cody's over here with the smart scope, keeping tabs on him.
Anyway, I didn't see any with antlers. I closed them up a few times. If there's any, there might be a small spike, but that's it.
So I can check out this cool tree.
That 4-point buck, he's probably about 130 yards from me. Chasing some does. Oh man, but he's not bad. He's got a really good spread on him too. He's bigger than Jordan and I's. I'll walk you, sucker.
Five of the hunt. Day number 5. Finally got into some elk, seen them, just not shooting them. Hopefully we can find them this morning before the other hunters down in the truck work their way up this way. hiked up this hill because I'm pretty sure I found a shed. Derek thinks that it was a stick. Freaking hiking all the way up here. We glassed it from all the way up there. And it's behind this bush. And I sure hope it's a freaking antler. Haven't seen any animals in this canyon. So, it'd be a nice payoff. Plus, I don't want to be known for the guy that made us hike all the way up here for nothing. I'll never hear the end of that. I think it's a shed. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. I am the master of disaster. We just totally wasted so much time getting this. Got into elk the last day, and I forgot my freaking video camera. Almost was close enough. Well, I was close enough to get a shot, but it got too dark. We're coming back into this hillside, and we can still hear the elk bugling. I guess there's still some cows in heat, so we're gonna try and get on them over this way. However, up on this mountain back, there's more elk. We just spotted at least 5. Potentially could be bulls. Could be bulls. We'll find out. We're just trying to make a game. We just shot an elk. We got one. Oh man, I'm sorry. I tried to hit record earlier. Yes! Yeah. ...2016 elk, deer, both in November. Wife is burnt out because I've been gone like every day, even went out on Thanksgiving Day. Couldn't ask for a better turnout. Anyways, Derek's going to get the truck, move it closer. I probably better start getting this animal taken care of.
There's my buck, 2016. He's a 4-point. You know, he's not magnificently a huge buck, but I mean, hey, he's a 4-point. As you can see, the road's all the way down there, and I'm beat already because I hiked all the way from over there. So I think it's probably about 10 or 11 o'clock, probably more towards 11. So I'm gonna get him cleaned up and get him out.